guys, I'm just want to make a quick video on non-ferrous materials. That's copper, brass, aluminium, lead, other materials that don't stick with a magnet. Start off with your copper. There's different grades of copper. That's got a lacquer on it, so as you can see, that's your grade 1 bright wire. Your one with your lacquer on is a grade 2. Two separate types of wire. Keep it separate. You get brass, all shapes and sizes. You can see they're fittings. Brass taps. Obviously you can see on camera it's different colour. If I show you that it is brass. Now aluminium. All different types of aluminium. Cast aluminium. Rolled aluminium. And also the stainless steel. Way to find out if that's stainless, I find, is if you've got an angle grinder at home, put an angle grinder against it, it'll let off like an orange spark. That's how you tell the difference. If you do it on aluminium, it comes off like dust. That's your over wires. Ribbon wire at computers. These are actually silver plated. I've been told that there's silver inside there, so save that separate. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's a ribbon wire. You've got telephone wire, cable. I don't bother stripping this. I just sell it as it's a scrapyard. Too much messing about. And they have household cable. We'll strip that. Earth cable. You can see the strands inside there, 4 or 5 strands. So everything I've shown you, try it with a magnet. If it don't stick, it's non-ferrous. Keep it separate to steel, it's worth more money. Alright, thanks for watching, hope you like, and subscribe at the bottom please. See you at the next one.